is a leading and an award-winning solicitor situated in London. Our expertise in family and matrimonial law encompasses divorce, separation, children matters, family breakdown, and financial orders. We focus on all aspects of immigration law. Our areas of expertise extends to visas for individuals and businesses. These include spouses, students, visitors, EU applications, investors, and more. We also undertake appeals and judicial reviews of negative decisions. We hold Law Society Quality Mark in immigration law. Our family law solicitors are dedicated to finding the most effective and pain-free resolution for our clients through the provision of sensitive, effective, and affordable legal advice. We are also Ghanaian law specialists and have advised many local authorities and other solicitors on aspects of Ghanaian law. We have also advised businesses looking to relocate to Ghana. Our senior partner is dual qualified as a barrister at law in Ghana and solicitor to the Superior Court of England and Wales. Client satisfaction is our number one priority. This shows in the number of positive reviews we have received from our clients. Bwf Solicitors, your preferred community lawyers.
Say yedi immigration lawyers akentinka ebe efidia na omo abekyerɛkyerɛ yɛn nneɛma a ɛkɔ ɛne nso emrena so mesrɛmo mehwɛ mo bɛhyɛ mo nhyɛ ne nkɔ ekyire mo nhyɛ ne nkɔ ekyire ensɛm a yɛba bebisa no ɛho hia pa mo nhyɛ ne nkɔ ekyire na dwumedie no enye de ene you yɛka ne sɛ GN radio Facebook no afedie ayeye enti no mo amo baso nyina mo nhye maye mesrɛ mo nhye maye na ya na edwumedie yi sɛ wonkwa wotie saa na akoye bibia wo ho ma wo hye ana obi nso enya ehu senia ekɔ na ɔno nso etu anamo ɔno nso etu ho anamo nkrɔfo bebre hyehyɛ adeke mo a nyoma ɛha ɔmo ankasa ɛwɔ immigration sem ɛne kyerɛ law bibi ɛfa law ho bia no nsɛm kitinkiti bi kora ya no mo nim sɛ wei lawyers for na betumi edi amount but we keep on sharing now obehu say na obi enya hu nimdeɛ ye the Bwf Solicitors for na enenso ye ne omobedi dwuma Bwf Solicitors ye lawyer kentin kampa wo kromu ha wo hwɛ omo dwumedi a omo dwumedi ho te ankasa na wo hwɛ omo history a utumi hu say ye can what we term as success rate na they are above 99% na ɛkyerɛ say wo de asembia ɛkɔ hɔ no ma nye hu ni say rest assured say the rate a wo de be succeed wa asem no very 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 great enti no o de wasem ko hwa pupu ti kra omo fourth floor ana house na ewo hemfa fourth floor ana house ewo 7 sisters 214 to 218 high road ne so na opo mo postcode na London N154NP na ne de wo mu ni say upon all this lockdown nyina Bwf Solicitors for edaso edwuma omode nhihye bia atokwan mu a se ne ebe ya ukọ ho no mu a bibia sa covid who nhihye nyina ewo ho no munti na anyhow kra they are working 24/7 in fact ukọ ho no mu a anytime bia omo ho ede ma nti bomode ana fa wasem ko Bwf Solicitors na gisa na mawe etu ukotodwe mu sa na ma me beboy troto ho in case na person ukọ ho ana de wasem kosue omo a no afre sa na ma no we book appointment fe na kyerɛ ya maoda enemre na ode akọ se ne ebe ya obenya lawyer baako ene wasem no watnasi one-on-one with you sanso no musa yes mbia bebia wo no oni London ha ubenya ofa na wabre nti no ya na ode nkakra omotumi ya video counseling nso ana consultation nti no se Skype ana Zoom ana WhatsApp whichever way video na kyerɛ ombe fra video ne so na bebia wo bia wo hye kona wo hye ye kan say Aberdeen kra na ana Scotland kroni bi so kra na still ombe to me edi wasema they can communicate with you through the video apps no na senior beya you still feel them senior otiwenim na chese o my interview na omwedi wasmama so call numbers ni 0208 493 7340. Sa number we die eye Bwf Solicitors for omo main line na ofra na chese o hwe lawyers bia na ya connect lawyer no e de amount. Ye wo lawyer Bernard aye nyina friend Uncle Bernard, ye wo lawyer Eunice wa bin papa, ye wo lawyer Richard Odemufia, and lawyer Francis na lawyer Patrick Omunyenara. Just say they are the best. I can recommend them 24/7. Yo, afedie yemfa yedwumedie no ensha se yenya boso kakra no ene ede na beye before ameka me introduce topic aye wonom yenchia lawyer Francis, ye the lawyer Francis na wa ha yenchia no nchia tiefo na afedie me man etire na me pese oni yen discuss no na ehun hihye bia no na masande to da. Good morning, lawyer Francis.
Yeah, good morning, Manity.
Pacho say otimenka very clear.
Me pacho also otimenka.
Me too, loud and clear. We can loud and colored. Yo, any emrene ko internal mema ho kwan na we chechia atiefo ne adofo ne obi biara oda wakoma so na afedie ensem e wo ho no bi abetu dwa na yedi ho nkomo pacho koso.
Yo, me da se Manity. Me de enchia kesi free BWF asoye ama ye tie for omo a omo tie yen e wo Facebook mu era omo hwe yen exaka ho ena bio mu so no mo a omo tie yen free tune in be bia obia wo ye chiamo say ye legal education no edro so na enen sema ye de ba no ebeboa menewo ana say una en favor wa unia wabusuani a wabetina UK hanumo a wonim ekwan a ode beye ne nkrata no wache wo hankwan dia sa topic ya ye ba betreat ebeboa no pa inti de America and say onfa na fidie nto ha obetimia asend the text message and abebo ne kokko say education na ye ba de ba betudwa no ene ebeboa ye efa obia ho ana say fa onua ana ne ho kafo ana se obia obe no ana se onim se owo saa tibia we mu no yo manya team I mean for update ba ku bia aba because I think the last week here but so afa corona virus over quarantine ho se over UK emrani take effect on the 18th of January inti say ba UK hanuma I was say we coronavirus test ni bi na say at least for 3 days before say we do hano we negative say ebiom so we negative do na we do akra no the first 10 days almost say we quarantine and also no quarantine now within the 5 days we your private test now we say at least we are negative ubetumi asori etu anamo akobebia ese okobia ebiom so we dia enro ya ne bae efri ye home secretary PT Patel o say na nyoma si kono because osha UK hano ye will updates almost every day government on any team of experts ebeka about coronavirus omo mbawu enomo a omanya bi ni na sefo ene ade a omoya afa ho na enra no PT Patel home secretary no beka ne de and also obegina on behalf of the government na the war can say adeno still a cost ropa na e was here hwe na ye boy mu ban na ebiomu so no e was vaccination no ye ko na ye ko gigi ye ko wo bi ebiomu so de titu adepoti a o me ye aware ni say ono na asoye say the one who ni say ye nuanom sorry a ye party a ye a nipa bebre na egu ofo say ho na ade no so spreading more enti the odi ba betu jani say from next week omo ye nhihye bi say wa mo ye party bi ana say gathering na nipa ni more than 15 na police for chiwa ana say omo be hwem no mo say mo ye more than 15 na ye be fine mo was it first fine ni 800 na say ye fine wona biom musa koso aye we ye kan say we ni be kan say persistent offender who koso aye sa de na the omude be carry say the maximum omude be fa level omude be raising say 6,400 ubetua nti boy enuanum kokko say coronavirus no still enko form ano ye demba nti the be ni sre ye be sre enuanum say yesremu say mo hwe na ye mo ye ho ban say ne be ya ade no ebekọ form amayen. Yo, Manyati, over to you.
Yo, Lawyer Francis, yadasi pa ne update odi abreye. Yo, yenhwe ne se ene na ade ana potin ya mepese ye ka ho asem no ehia me ankasa pa nti no yentu hu anamo. Yenim se enra na enra this week ya na obi ebise me about you can say immigration rules ya se uwo kromo ha na what na ha ache eni ade no kwan ben na obefa so na misi okay na nyame adoma yebenya Lawyer Francis nti no ene no ade potiam pese ye ka ho ye the immigration rules that allow people to apply to remain in the UK on the basis of the long residence na che say obi wa ba betina kromo ha dodo na watna ha obi wo ho a watwetwe nkrofo entoma na ode akatakata ne ho adwuma bebre mekasa Lawyer Francis otimi ase
meti wase pa
enti ono mompo na no chese ono ano onihwe nanso embia watna ha ache enti ene no bese ye hwe sa nneoma no na yenka ho asem enti se obedi kan na wachre yensa long residence no kwan ben ye fa so na ye de nya nkrata na question se wo ho bia no na mede atudwa ama Lawyer Francis ipachokoso.
Yo, me da say, Manyati, and ampa a topic now we're raising. A man for bebre edi abobo ene ekwaya omo wasati bi anmo mo de befa so edi nya enkrata wo krum ha. Yo, ye cast a long residence na say obi a obetina ha cha. Emranu mo no ye mranu mo a ye friend immigration a friend of immigration rules no.
Yes.
Yeah, they define BBI friend a long residence. In Tiansha, the Emranica, Emrano Oshema immigration rules, no, your friend baby paragraph 276B. And no, they're talking about long residence, no. Now, long residence, no, HRS, what Babetina Krumha said, dear, you started with 10 years. Now, 10 years, you know. So what betina ha 10 years na ye lawful one emrane say ube to me aye application bia ubenya bibia friend indefinite leave to remain and I say ubenya bibia friend settlement and no ye case what betina ha we are lawful residents. Yen share the America efa bibia your friend lawful residence.
Okay.
Yo, lawful residence in it say me asemesi me etu anamon free me chrome me bano me apply for maybe say student visa and omuma me 2 years and also omuma me 3 years depending on me course me ba be ye wo chrome ha. Inti mi tu anamon free Ghana no meba no me be ye me course no mama me visa na nwu ena nyame adaroma me benya British ni bi anase me benya obi a wasete wo krom ha ena me ne eno eye aware inti aware no mu no ena me nya ankrata inti me nya ankrata no ene ma me 2.5 inti hono o student visa no wa ma na nwu ena ade marriage one no etwaso inti wodi twaso no ena no so no 2.5 no eba bewu na akọ renew ye inti wo hwe ma 10 bia no wontwen ma o wasitira ni ngu na wakọ renew inti sa o kan nyina bom na wutimi kire se matena ha for 10 years visa me de ba ye mama na nwu ena ma renew sa on the other route no ena ma di 10 years e was say home office momra no mo no under paragraph 276B no e was say mumma me bibia ye friend no indefinite leave to remain and now say mumma me settlement and only one aspect e bio no who share under yaka long residence first now before 2012 no so we are long so we can say we the 14 years e wo kroma no ma whether lawful or unlawful no ye betimi ama asetena e wo kroma until say after 2012 econo and I'm running stisaye e dey call 20 years into 20 years ne kire say e was say what na kroma 20 years unlawful. Into one me say me share difference between lawful and lawful. Lawful is say tembia no wo asetina wo kroma. And unlawful ni che say wunni asetina wo kroma. But wo do ho asie sama 20 years aba. Into say 20 years aba afrain where you want the ekwa home office say ma betina 20 years na me ni nkrata. Into afrain na me ba be pen nkrata. Into home office beka cho say okay uba be pen krata yen shata ma uba kruma into normally all the time no tama the back kruma no important I was here sending so was adding no pa so at least with the visitors visa and a back kruma krana make sure say sir wo entry clearance visit visa na the buy no stamp ne bo visa or passport ni mu because hona e be kire say what na kroma 20 years and now say 19 in this case no ebia o person make it that 20-year application they are the home office air can say my record of the last 20 years our person which by yen Bwf ye wo kwan a ye deje sa records ni nyina yo into the air, me per se, me might hear for ni say, what betina na winning crata, what the 20 years are. A quite jaw ho, say, at least, ube to me, aye, in crata, ube to me, amao, say, ubetina, chromadomo. Yo, yen shep, sa, the American long residence ninano, my share adult side, in Coladian so, because I say, ye car in penny 4 dear. But yan dream kola so de no ho akola odi na ba krom ha what na her first 7 years owo akwan ja say o make application to the home office now omoma ni leave to remain and akola ono so wedi 10 years and also de wo hodomo inti for now no manyati de make a chaw ni say my body tougher ever long resident, you know.
Okay.
Now, question be back. Now, your cost for pensing as time goes on. Why?
Yo, Lawyer Francis, yeah, that's it. Send your church, no, and no, nipa kwa many dim come now or come. On say, Emery kakra be tremono. Na dodo na ye tu kwan ne ye ba ne age ye say your friend is saying, oh, me could do 2 weeks, oh, me could do 1 week. Na ya mayen MBA 6 months, that was the minimum by then. Na ya de mayen na ya ba. Afe ya de ba ye na no bi ato ye mfo se o passport no san fa kofie na ye be hu se wasan wechi akọ Ghana. Se omonim se passport na ye nipo. Enti no dodo na ma me no se ne de no o send koye na o send koye. Lawyer Francis, de bia nkrofo de na o de frafra ne ho, de bia nkrofo de na o de akatakata ne ho a wenya kra bru 20 years no. Na America kra no oni obi ware ye e na o de nuoma no ekotu mu. But one shada one me the reason why you refuse no, but o can say you refuse ye na wanti omonka e na che say o sign etu free baby a o wono nti so nim say you reply say ya reply no she has no idea na osuro say na ye see so onko fie ba bechi no nti on de o sheda yera anichi intesi ano okọ 23 or 24 years. Lawyer Francis, such a person ono a ni book no de kofi ono a on sheda ni nyoma nkitinkiti bi obi say no ni chances yes ye
Yo, Manyati, oh, Shredia, or the Atomena. Yeah, I have not chances now, yeah, Cano. Say, Uba, yeah, in Bwf as well, yeah, what quite be bra, yeah, the JSA information.
Okay.
But first, thing, okay, a year, a talk, Masuma, me per se, me busa, ne say, what then the passport, no, Emir de Kofi, no, yes, tampo, say, or the Akofia, na, said,
send ye those time no sa no moye no o de kwa na ye de akoma immigration officers bi na je say ya tim say wasan wechi abefi enti na je say wo mu body wo fie nso spirit wo krom ha na so spirit na body no ha
and no any problem and no any sad mistake as ya yeta ye papa so if so bet na be fall under the 20-year route na ehun hia say we say on the passport ni come back to if you near stamp because first in what the corner the make application call home officer or make catch or say now say yeah who say stamp for if we Ghana immigration that means I won't take Roma no we were just what them yes it self say bet na 20-year rule no what apply bia the best thing is say we keep passport so be there na di use krana. But all passport now the back Romano, and when they hear ya the back or yes application amount, and I will be amwaji documents be out with the Becky Kaka. Into these are the things and I said we create problem out of it. Say, oh, where do you need the coffee? Where you say, but think about future, think about the opposite way. Say, fine, my baby room, me be room no, ya mama me the visitors base and me the buy. Now 6 months near the mama no. After 6 months no, and mind to me renew, and I say me bibi engine so I'm fine yet to renew my may leave no. In this case, me the passport in the call back. Dear engine they call back. Now body no move here. Because the problem is Otiano, Abia Ubenyobi Amana Wasom. Say our dear. Our dear Lucrana, a bebema waiting iron wire. About Memo, I was all back to Ghana, and I said there are something we call insurmountable obstacle. Into wailing, you know, oh, she said, when your man, no what she said here in such a way, said, so wouldn't him say the next 20 years, Ubeko apply for long residence now, on the basis of unlawful residence now. The best thing is a men for passport now the back Romano. And some come back to Ghana say yen stamp money fan to one jail. And pray wouldn't say would the baby be wo Romano mo. Timanyeti the mechanic say yes share if it has the okacha me now. That means fine. Yes application near Casa only pakoni back Roma evidence here the buy and he said the passport. Mind you, so I'm going to show the passport. I'm going to say, I'm going to flip all pages. No matter say stamp bend the boom.
Okay.
Not by then, no. Go to cast stamp, immigration stamp boom. Then that means wasema okay and toss me. Don't know who's a buy no or call back. Once I can say we need pediano who chroma. Into any careful about that mistake now, yet no. Why?
Okay, Auntie Ella Francis, can we say, and no, sir, act no can be one of the Nyoma bet prevent you from qualifying for the 20 years unlawful residence, Nana?
Me pacho, unless you have other means of proving it.
Okay. Now apart from that, no, apart from sir, and no, a DM biom, never prevent you from qualifying for the unlawful residence, you know. MBA passport no one found.
Oh, share your brand for unlawful residence 20-year route now. Titro, they are a Mranicano and no year paragraph 276 ADE. And no nature say, dear Titro, first, you can see a course 20-year route resident now. Nanka obian qualify because we are lawful dada. But Imrani say, yeah, shahono, yeah, should be bia, yeah, friend who suit no buy being suitability requirement.
Okay.
So because that suitability requirement, you know, and no ye idea bia baby abefebia obesiano. Most of the applications, you know, a chance wono or criminal record and now say we need criminal record. Ebini saying what the NHS car now the NHS car. Or character. It boils down to or character. Into character requirements, you know, fall under that suitability requirement. Into oh yeah application now already I wouldn't say we are lawful that.
Okay.
It's only a shame say one of the eligibility requirement. But when it comes to suitability requirement now, one no more here bibia your friend say usubain. Into usubain no, it falls under so many categories. Ebini say auto idea untia. You the want to you say odeka. Oh, it is almost yes our checks no a pop up bar. They can use against you. But it depends on the gravity of the offense. Why?
Okay, lawyer, yeah, that's it. You've made mention of the word eligibility and suitability. Mr. Ohono,mpese bem amanfo omo madwin be yomo, even though you explaining no mbia na obi wanti oho eligible, suitable, and suitable, no, which is which. Sisia eligibility no when ya can say unlawful 20 years omo ehu eno dada. And afa suitability no na chese nipa no o suiti say yemfa saa residence ni mana na edienti enti oho no ye no 1111 na the next 2-3 minutes na afa de ya ma etiefo nso ho kwan na omo abebise bila Francis.
Yo o share suitability requirement na mostly hono na ya omo de refuse amount for no.
Exactly. Okay.
On the basis ni say for the scenario now with the buy and say nipa no eba ha no or the passport e call back MES stamp mu.
Okay.
Enti whereby a nipa ne apply for the 20-year rule you know unlawful residence, you know. First in a home office case worker befa no be here say okay also qualify for 20-year you know rule no. E kwa ben so na afa back room
so how be for suitability.
Yes, suitability.
Okay.
Yeah. Inti sa kwan na obefa so ba no. Eno na say omo muhu na omo dey assess that 20 year no.
Okay.
Inti what can say e bia me ba 2003. 2003 no, debe na kire. Obviously, we try say do passport stamp ni bom. Inti passport na e beba no. Stamp ni be bom no. Na before then who dey akofia ma Ghana High immigration officers soon the almost stamp above. It's now a double A. Okay. At that time, no case worker never catch us. Man, who said Ghana immigration stamp boom? That means I'll buy and who's our call back.
Okay.
Into one, your friend be deception.
And throw.
That's it.
Okay. All right.
And only one of the suitability.
Yeah. Okay.
What did throw? One may no career and I say quite with the back room because we catch us about 2003. But to buy one can't chase all call back and now one come back.
Okay.
Into one, you ever funny say what did throw? Right. And a deception under immigration rules no. Usha yeah we no immigration rules grounds for refusal now. It's one of the mandatory refusal, mandatory discretion. Yeah, the ama. We know. It's one of. I wouldn't say what intro. Yo, yeah, sure. Other way. Other suitabilities, no. Okay. Requirement, no. Oh, share a biomuswa. Oh, bet na hano. IHS. Yanka say use IHS now we use IHS. What be use GP? What be use hospital? Wow, untiaka. Because hono say Imran say wouldn't krata. Now go use any health facilities belong to the government. I was say untiaka.
Okay.
Inti ukono Oma check your record and also oma check your passport in as for winning krata diploma. But we are any serious you know. You catch yourself okay, you be sure but ube tuane kakra. In this case, you know, who sign agreement with them say okay, me tuane kakra. But there are a boama this health fee, you know, you can get away with it. And they say if the debt near somewhere 500 and above, and no, I'm on the better record, so I'm a home officer. Away.
Okay.
Because the ATM ministry only said, Sikasem a basana, because Omoye policy in such a way, say they know, say it's not everyone who can afford it.
That, okay.
But 500 and above, no, provided, say, who make effort. Say, oh, make sure it be a £10 every month. It be a £5 every month. In this case, you know, once the thing is ongoing, you know, only problem about that side.
Okay, because
that's it.
Okay.
Because I have some application be about kume say na client, you know, or no or renew, but omo ya we say we cost so etua sa omufi no.
Right.
Home office engineer so am refuse no.
Okay.
Because we declare omo ya aware. Ebiomu so no wa betina no mo sa fines here or parking fines na asifo no. We will be a persistent offender.
Okay. And
also no near the udia kwakoto police national data so. In this case, no, omo ya omo checks ni na yiba they can use against you.
Okay.
And a biom so sa fines na ya demand from the council na say for ebia I was say council tax untia ya the work court ya buka go so. All these things are offenses that goes under suitability requirement.
Okay. But say
bankruptcy.
Okay, any day I see no. But say san kan kitten. So what declare say yes, you committed them, but why your arrangement are utia dia any day they can't use that against you, Anna.
Yes, they can't use that against you.
Okay.
So these are the things I was saying. Yes, so you honey per se 20-year rule. I was saying so you.
Okay.
Now nya amane ye ni aban nya amane ana dia be my ama problem about your character.
Okay.
In this case, character requirements ni say no, and no they push share her suitability. If anything, they use against you. See, the best thing is fine. Oh, failure, you disclose any offenses be our committee. Now, on one way, say if there is a need, punish you on that. And now, on more offenses be they treat it to be a minor rather than. The way no. Why?
Yo, lawyer. One question be but before I ask no about the kind of saying we absences no your baby say no in a minute. But it's here for a higher GN radio Jumedia idea Bwf Solicitors for legal hour with GN radio. Now say ufrena ubisa questions. I will 4 different numbers. Ye didi Jumano Bakuya 0203 735 8820 and I say 0203280185. Your WhatsApp lines be no so a ubetumi afresh so na anase wa send WhatsApp message ewo 077-879-39958 ne so na anase ubeja voice note na wode aba na yetumi abon so e de amount na mesrew ofre na ekọ voice mail dia enja message wo ho because mean to me enkofa na lawyer enti munhye eho no nso adofo amaba Facebook so let me acknowledge you. I appreciate you all. Nana Ajima in school soldier Prefect Yadasi or see 2 solid hour free legal education. Auntie Docas Adum also good morning Nanajimai. Miss Ramon share program no the moment you share I can see inti mon share nem kwechi na yemboa community no asem way obi wo ho a onyanka obetie na otuhwa na mo nso hwan na ekoka se wo wan share a obeden ate inti mon share na mon frefra dofo na omomba embe join the program no no omontinia wom say watch it wo kromo a wedi but there are few ways lawyers no betumi afa so na obetumi di agi asetna ma eno say you have to ube sell wo yare ube ka ne ehia ube ka baby a wo hye na omo nso mahu baby a ombe fa so na omode aye wedwuma no ama nti mesra mombo modiana mon share tili duma thank you so much ya kan say Alice Forjo medamo nyina simu amaba Facebook ni nyina medamase nti me next question answer na menkai etiefo de na omode aba Facebook ene me WhatsApp line so no lawyer Francis say ye can say ye friend say absence say bia ene wetu kwan uwa ha unya indefinite unya but we no enya 2 years bi na student visa ba we to kwan wa kotna baby kakra wa banti yanka no absences a ewo wo UK permitted a permitted for a long residence ye how na ye be kan embia ye be kan sa absence no na akase there bi wontwa 20 years na say ensheda mfa patro betumi achechemu amaye ewo ho
yo because our absences no we share UK yamra no more immigration rules now baby abefa bia wo
okay
especially even nationality obese we become a British in asifo no and also no we saka indefinite na any kwan say so free chroma for a couple of months days and others
okay.
But you ensure the long residents, send a seeker, way lawful residents, So, person we application under lawful residents now. The more can say, men free chroma, all the residents, you kabuma 18 months.
18 months, okay.
Yeah, in other words, it's 540 days.
In the 20 years rule, no?
There be in the 10 years.
10 years. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
20 years, they say, wouldn't in Krata would be called
Matthias, yeah.
In Tianity, may pick the lawful one.
Okay.
Because you got 20 years now, Obia only Krata, the ultimate outside. Yeah. Yo, in Joshua, and run at your true such a way, say, or person work room all the time.
Okay.
It is a order to be animal. Make sure, sir, you shouldn't spend more than 18 months. Sir, that will lead you into the 10-year lawful residence.
Okay.
Why?
Okay. I see. And yeah, 18 months they be more. Now 18 months there it be wom. Yo, it's here for maybe a telephone lines no at the atum. You be me name say obi gina so na say me line na aye rough. Hello Kolam Pato wa homa so. Hello. Ebe lawyer Francis ene Milan ba kono ye rough. Okay, yan koso na main test me producer say me landline no ne ho ati o see onye adwuma. But however, we still have other 3 lines. We have the WhatsApp one, we have the 2 mobile numbers. I will be to me a friend na ye didi juma no nti se wo frɛ landline no na ye rofa me ye be di juma in a minute. Yo nti numbers no 077-879-39958 and I say 075-966-20154. Sana mesmienu ubetumi afre na yetumi edi wasem no edi amount. Yo, my first question being so what have from the Chief Augustus Augustine Aka Nyame or see I had a derivative residence card of 5 years. Maybe Na where is it now? That sorry, Mami Shas, I had derivative rights resident card of 5 years. Now that we are out of the EU, can I apply for indefinite leave to remain when is expiring? When is expiry? Thank you. San Watrono. Lawyer Francis.
Yo, yeah, question here or the other. A person who said, okuta derivative rights of residents. Now, but say, who say after the 5 years, no, bet me apply for EU settlement scheme. No, and I'm a boy. Yo, for the benefit of your TF, you can say, obi kuta derivative rights of residents now. And the tier one is say, yeah, Kano, Zambrano.
Oh, okay.
In this case, you know, OSHA wajina either EU NASO, British NASO, and Odinya as a derivative right of application, you know. Because Zambrano, no, you more derivative right of application, you know. In this case, you know, your man of 5 years. It is 5 years now, your dear man, no. Well, besides, obey to me after a war. Obey to me, I EU settlement scheme now. Yes, I quite enjoy because I'm only a part of EU settlement scheme, no. But many or no, the Ankameyan say, one check it, say, da akolano, ye mano, and I say, or British ni. And no, say no, obey to me, I use you and no account to the 5 years.
Okay.
Because case law, I may I 90, I say, Sani and others, and they say, so what to me, say, Akolano, Yamano, that say, obey a British ni as an answer or register as British citizen. Obey to me account to that 5 years, you know. 5 years, no to me sure. That means, obey to me apply for indefinite leave, and I say settlement scheme, no, settlement on the basis of EU, EU settlement scheme application, you know. And what I can say is, fine, the question or the other, yes, obey to me, but in order not to wait till say 5 years in the Bebano, one check it the mema culture, no, one check it Tamakulani be British, you know, send the ban air British now. No, I share our date, you know. Now the 5 years I come, dan so obey chairman the card no 5 years na answer na wa apply. Why?
Yo, lawyer, yeah, say. Me wani pa miensa e wa homa no so. Oh, ba ko de ato so. Yo, wa oh, wen susu de ato so. Me sra mo se mo frɛ a monya abotre se lawyer kyerɛkyerɛ asɛm no mu a monya abotre kakra ma no na ɔkyerɛ mu wie a na afede me di mu atum na mo ebisa. That's why I keep holding the line. Inti me sra mo mo na mo gyina so na mode kɔ no betumi asan afrɛ biom na yetumi edi dwuma no. Yo, my next question or see okay, we edi kan aba yemfa ne wow number end with 6947 pacho o wa homa so. Ye fra o say na o kasa frame. Hello, good morning. Pacho wow number end is 6947. When I do so. Hello. Oh, meeting cancel on kasa. Hello, Pacho wow number end with 6947. Mafa o call no. Minim so timenka na so timenka. Okay. All right. On timenka timakati. Yo. When so say good morning, please. How can I Good morning, lawyer. Please, how are you and the lawyer? Okay. Please, I wanted to ask lawyer if there has been rules changes to the law surrounding the fact that you have indefinite, but because you overstayed, cannot apply for citizenship until after 10 years. I mean, the character requirements. Asma ye kan ho asem no. Ebi no. Lawyer Francis, mpacho, ne question ni.
Yo, the question about person who said, sir, character requirement, and that's what affected in case of person will naturalize it as a British citizen now. Yo, share Senna Yamran the ACTR under Nationality Act 1981 now. Or say, sir, when you're indefinite, now person will naturalize it as a British citizen. There were two things. So what worry British near won't train for 1 year, not with the naturalization not to us. So won't worry British near over train for 1 year. But 1 year now over train. Character requirements never been in such a way, say, yeah, share a choir of fast with the back room. Sir, in case would the visitors visa and a back room hanuma a woo year one renew and I would try yeah by the next 2-3 years being a winya you need be worried no and upon that what go through 5 years when you're indefinite. Well, character requirement now, yeah, the baby, ever start here free. Tama, when you need no worry. Now the 10 years are coming. In Tijuana, what they come now, young funny say, 2022 now, punishment in the everywhere. Uber saw will naturalize, I was so train now 2022 now, and son of why I don't know. A biom so me says, Sisudia say, I was say, you're careful. Efa tama ya dibera UK ha because any nyina nearby ya ne ekuta visa na emaye kwan etna kroma ebi wa visa na de buy no visitors visa e kire say after 6 months I was so call back to Ukrum but utna home ne overstay here. Into overstay, and I'll try so be find way of regularizing we stay our UK. Into Hona, Ukosia will be out in the warrior. Dana mo warrior, Hona, who do 10 years, ever started free. Because of that, you're punish you for that. So why overstay and nothing you're punish you. Into Hona, the 10 years come one. Now, Ekosi Abia 2021, 2022 a free Hawkon and I'll bet me naturalize it as a British citizen. Why?
Okay, say obeti as your honor dear. Here been pa because 10 years if you are na wa committee mbia some offenses being so or say because of that no or share sa rehabilitation period
that's it. Offenders Act
yes no and also on fine and kind na be fully within some categories but or say dear so
yes
you go so telephone lines na lawyer Francis hard wa hapa me still am there is no tone so and there is no one into the young share obi so fresh Skype na yen say betumi access Skype na so there na and yes I na yen ho be kire yen pa enti wow number and the 5457 you can call again as soon as you call na me pick pena akati so I can see you guys calling but me pick ana akati enti no moon tribune na yen hwe yeah let me see if this will work 5457 Pacha Utemenka. That's great. Yo, good morning. Nampacha Okasa Efri near Frause.
Good morning, Pacha Mkasa Free Water from the diner.
Yo, Auntie Dana.
Me Pacha met me lawyer Francis Akasakaka.
Sister Wadaro Mampacha Kosoai.
Okay, Francis, good morning.
Good morning, I'm here to say.
Me Pacha, you know say.
Na me adom dem Bible.
Yes. Papa, we am person in buso asam kakra.
Akwanda ho.
Me Pacha me kuta 2.5 media ne ba beso me pa say e beso June 6 June. Na me pesa me apply for free waiver ne bi. Me ba shemet me apply for now we are na anase mentwen kakra nsa.
Yo, 2.5 ujina why so onka for na ummaso.
Me jam me baso.
Yo, so untimi afford the home office fee and I say or more IHS now. Akwan jawo ho emma say o apply for fee waiver no. Because right now the fee waiver they send the city and they say within a month no make a decision. Now market shall say yeah application no the next 10 days. It is a who can say who live in the 6th of June now. Quarter they me feel say a better amount they say who best start here the free I think say April yeah better. Why?
Okay. Who
apply for fee waiver no. Inti by May no na fee waiver no decision aba. Na who dey atum. Why? Untwe ma way you ewu ansa na why? Why?
Me back you. Okay. Me that's the fire.
Yes, yeah, that's Auntie Dinah. But I watch a program, Nadia.
Yeah.
Me bacha me share.
Okay. Yo, me wa mini a question being so I say good morning team. Bless you for your good works. I wanted to inquire on a student visa which is due to expire soon, but I have just made an application to switch my visa to settlement. Can I still go on to work with my company without breach of law, given my appointment date for biometric is due in February, which my status will have long been expired, and I do not have any evidence of application aside my confirmation of appointment letter. Lawyer Francis, my name is Watimi Asana Minsan Kind Buma. Lawyer Francis.
Hello.
Hey, I didn't freeze. Lawyer Francis. Mpacho wa udina o mane so twen mami 1 second why? Hello, Lawyer Francis. Hey. Same baby. Okay, yeah. Lawyer Francis, but you want to make a
but question the man
freezy a kakra nti na fe na ja ma feature let just say me question one so okay, you no problem. Yeah, well, odofo bi wa homa ne so yenti ono na after that ma kind of question. Pacho hello kola wa homa so ye from say na okasa friend.
Good morning, manya. Michelle ni lawyer Anope.
Good morning. Anope unso ho ti say.
I'm here the meeting the Fred lawyer kola no me uni mentino. Me wa question bi busa kakra.
Yeah, morning.
Me pacho, me person busa say as a EU family member na se bi am fa say me ko school at the same time na se bi am ka se bi am ko union na se bi me yesterday bibisa no still no abai no friend is a universal care bit me aboa ma bet me akọ school ana so say you go madam be advice me say but say me ko school net at the same time say aye adwuma o be ka je administration ko ba ko abra o ma me nyenu no together tinam pese mbusa lawyer say enokre bi wo musana.
Yo, Lawyer Francis, Patrick Nenka.
Lawyer.
Oh, that's fine. Yeah. A freezing. Tina me feel say won't it. Okay. Fred, who have a question now? We a family member. And who go school at the same time. We are Juma. School no. Dear Tiani say school no apply and awenya. I don't know say I call full time and I call part time. Because that would depend say who bet me a Juma at the same time who go school. Because Hano even who student visa krana utimi SIA Juma, but the number of hours are limited. So, but sir, who can universal creditor? Every benefit be our the criteria eligibility criteria obe meet. Inti hono omo feel say yeah say so now meet that criteria. Omo de be ma bibia nsi ukwan. But you're careful about students who are now okono. Say we you ni fine. You ni abusia. Eno akwanja wo won krata obetimi dia ko school tembia observe bia. Usa wa hode say ofu say obetimi aye adwuma. Obi ansi ukwan. But you buy universal credit. Say ope universal creditor. Hono na omo be hwe the number of hours ni na se for no. We adwuma and as a JNT we here they can provide you that benefit, you know. Into hono I say we are careful. Why? Because definitely they will link up with wajuma we as well.
Okay, into a limited of hours because na be betin aboame I affecting.
Universal credit, my mean sure we send a city. The tier say first na your individual child tax credit, other benefits, and no maka abom about say universal credit, you know. Into a component of it, you know, will depend on their WOPE. Into wona WOPE no, WOPE on the basis WOPE to support wajuma. And now say WOPE support baby out in ultimate rent, you know. And now say they into hono say we are careful. Because who compares our idea with to say housing benefit in as for now under universal credit now, they will assess you and say, look at it. We are Juma, we pay our Ujini. So when to meet your renter, we will see how we can support you. Why?
Okay. All right.
Including now on an assessment basis. Why?
Okay. All right. Yeah. Thank you.
Yo, Bra Fred, yeah, that's it. Why? I mean, sure. Okay. Yo, odofo a won so sisi ayen telephone lines ni nyina aba correct into ubetumi afre na maybe question be answer na but ne dia no it sounds similar to near Fred ebisa no however I don't know say you no but anything anyhow or say I wanted to inquire on a student visa which is due to expire soon, but I have just made an application to switch my visa to settlement. Can I still go on to work with my company without breach of law, given my appointment date for biometric is due in February? Is due in February, which means my status will have long expired and I do not have any evidence of application aside my confirmation of appointment letter. In Timpacho, the question in a little bit similar, but Lawyer Francis.
Yo, who share your question? Yeah, was your student visa now? We'll go through a renewal to finally or call for settlement. Yo. Osha sa application ya the moment of them make application, you know, a home office will apply to that on the basis of person apply for settlement. Now what can be say an appointment for biometrics now is on February 2021.
Yes.
Now person who say na juma wo ye no how and I said they no dey prove or more say our pending application.
That's correct.
And I'm boy. Yeah, because I don't believe we say apart from the appointment for biometrics, you know, and no penny the only evidence I feel so bit to be a share or more. But monstro, well, yes, our application now, you might be a friendly unique application number. In short, UAN. So under immigration rules now, I started with 1212. Okay. And under EU settlement scheme now, I started with 3434. Inti need na settlement. So yeah, no under immigration rules now. Mano, sa unique application number now started with 1212. No. Say B is why the other room EU need be the way she no under settlement EU appendix. And no. it will start with 3434. Ni nyina ye 16 numbers. Inti emu bia na obenya no. I was say or forwarded to the employer. Won't ye because now say problem a yenya no any side we are employers no munya aware about that. Because what they would number no ebema wo employer no na the government website akoye checking be a friend of employer checking services. Into that will show say employee in application home office. Okay. And under that in the crown, immigration rules be a bomb mobile section 3C.
Yes.
I say application a babu now what the kind application one man section 3C no a bomb mobile.
I know correct.
In this case, employer need to make say on the basis of an application home office. And when I say you are you push it to that side, Now on moment we say my application, medical home office and sana EU. It is a who employer who say and answer open immigration status. Me the misa unique application number now we work checks
Okay.
Why?
You lawyer, it's for more mujina manus Miss Remo lawyer explain a mamonko. What would they kind 5150 when I offer first in part of your friends and our casa free.
Hello, good morning. The pastor from Use Lynch.
Oh, Mammy Pacho Casani.
Uncle Francis, good morning.
Morning.
Manatee, good morning.
Good morning.
The pastor, my question, immigration related. Now, shippers did a family, a coffee. It was a glass electric cooker. No my pipe glass never went and my friend driver not the buy so on time down on the ship, but unfortunately not to do it. It's 20 member into your reporting as 7 months. Chrome has it. It's the 30th December. And I'm sending you a couple of emails with pictures and everything of how the item was packaged and anyhow it was delivered. They tampered with the item into the minute break. And to my and I'm a friend. Couple of weeks later, my friend, the family I say, almost and Oma concluded say it wasn't a brand new item. And they are not going to pay even £1. The person moved the way forward. Last week, I email from them saying that they want a proof of purchase. I had already told them that it was a replacement from an insurance. And there's no way receipts at the moment, but my details conversation between many insurance company, I'm still waiting for them. Because the next step forward because I'm not ready to let it slide. This would be the second time. This are me.
Okay, you auntie that's a lawyer, where the other no more, then I bet to me I can't or see up a way forward.
Yeah, Usha, Yambrana, a bit me up, and answer an aspect of the law, be afraid to be commercial law activities. Ye a far orange, sir, one day a contract with a shipping company to deliver the goods to the destination. No, Bali say definitely there is a contract between who. Any shipping company no befa adeniko akwa deliver no. In this case no omemo assign bibi chese ya befa onioma no ye dey ko. But before say we sign no I will say we make sure say ade no mo dey ko no bibi anti mutima. Fine. Company no so be sign no so say yes ade na odi amame no wo dey asem say me fanko. But the issue then is oh, see, I didn't go do it. Damages be about home. Now, damages, my aware, but they still doesn't want to take the responsibility.
Yes.
And I'm a boy. Yes. So, UK man, thank God, say a both beer mobile.
Okay.
Both the consumer, the producer, the shipping agents, and that kind of thing. And I definitely may assume say the shipping company no omo wo ekuo bi a omo join say ebeye omo ekuo na omo join no wo de be fa omo so say treatment omo treating ye. But yeah, sure what UK mra ne kan say wo feel say nkofo no juma na omo de adu no unya interest and I say omo ntimi resolve issue na first bo omo kokko because a bomb cocoa, Mamunya will say you want to take the action further. And in this case, no, you were UK, thank God, you were consumer way commission. Self said, San Crofono, or man, your major year, over to me up and down. Likewise, BBC no gather evidence here, then make it official complaint to the commission. Nemo munya where the sort of treatment in Kofono do. But definitely I hope that they are part of almost association, you know. Because unless you have to inquire about the company and say, are they registered in the UK for UK to in case they want to take an action against them? Because I know Biana Tembiano Obeya Juma na Obuwa or Fan Quanchen Jasemba. How to deal with it, Krano, a problem. Until we have to know the sort of association and conformity join. This case, no better or more invoice or more receipts or more demand, no say in case terms and conditions where you say, Bibi Satua, in conform the right people are with me, I report it to. Until Miniwa, Mr. Wa, go back to a contract, no, look at it at the terms and conditions, you know. Say, Bibisa, something happens, there is a fault in delivering in as if for now. How are we going to resolve it? Why? Then you take it out from there on that basis.
Lawyer Francis here that say, I feel the lines no ban ba pacho wa landline so when I do so after you na I feel the nipa kwani number and 6947 now no so I can hello kolam pacho wa ma so your say na kasa free. Oh, landline no audio to so yo any well number end with 6947 when I do so your friend say na kasa free. O number ending 6947. Pacho Timenka. Okay, Mami Sisa Ahumano Wahana Menshe, India now in Timenka.
Hello.
Hello, Pacho Timenka. You. Okay, your first and after.
Make us a Luton, your friend Messi.
Oh, Auntie Messi, Pacho Bisawa Semna. Why?
Because so much of my maybe son say. Because I indefinitely number 10 coming you from the book now. Name of minima can kind. It in the same with a lawyer say, when you over, make me a first or make me a have book media.
Let us say,
your auntie Messi, we saw a question way.
I don't know.
Pacho lawyer Bisawa Sem Pacho Timami.
Okay.
Your auntie Messi, morning.
Morning, lawyer.
Apo man.
Nyamia do mo mfaso na so
Yo, nyamia dom ne mo pai bo. Yo, me question is say, me pato wo fie ye say.
Me pato me wo 49.
Yo, the entire me busa wo fie ni say, wo say won't me intro or more life in UK ne English language, you know. No more exemption Emma me pato exemption na me ba be kan wasem no say bia ukuta bia no betimi exempt na oba naturalize you. Why?
Okay, you mati.
Yo, ebini say anka we obi a wedi less than 18 years anka won trust life in UK any English language, you know. And now say we obi a wedi 65 air cost and no so no unya sa nyoma we no English ne life in UK. And a biom so we obi a unya sound minded to say mental issues in as for now. ya access you through consultant and also no over to me that report no akọ ama home office say me consultant access me say me fit to write the exams. In this case no anka to me ama home office I consider na or mama wa naturalize it as a British. It is encountered fully within where I'm afraid say age almost still no say we life in UK English language requirement no. Why?
Yo mate.
Yo, mommy, Loti now one on them say kwan wom. Yeah, test no in you London ha. Me try and crop for me to me mom interview send ya obekwa. Questions I be bisa no pepe any idea obeye no. Enti say we are interested me bot numbers be at the end of the program na watro na wa contact me say still because age need there am say you can they can't exempt you unless say exemption we kind of grounds ni be enti say we are interested na wa free after the program why
if I tell you mate
ya me shrawo.
Yo, bye.
Bye. Yo, Bachawa will number end with 2752. It do so. Your friend send out casa friend.
Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Papa. Hi. Your friend me Mike, me colleague in London.
Yo, Pachokoso.
Okay, Pacho, my question is can say I'm say who come han we the best 18 years. Who come ha. Na say we overstay. Na ne tosi biem oni broni ba wo ho na oni na broni ba na tra enfie enhia na juma na oye no endru 18,000 because of coronavirus situation now no na ni income no for the year no 15,000 any chances bi ho no ma betimi aye application na wa succeed na.
Okay, Lawyer Francis.
Yo share there Michael kana person financial requirement and also person who say or qualify so be making application on them. Me bacho Michael also.
Yes, me also.
Me bacho who can oma worry and omo worry.
Omo worry. Oma trouble
6 years.
Yes.
Okay. But the issue there is omo won kola na omo nin kola wo.
Omo nin kola wo.
Yeah. Because sir en kola ni ma na oba no be ma no omo pese omo yusu BBF no cohabitation and also a married partner. I'm afraid say a married partner no untimi nya ewo krom ha no mo. On the basis that we are British, so as a partner, the reason being is unless there is something we call insurmountable obstacle. Ebia Bemano Yarienti on Timin to cry and call Bani Krum Koyan and 1 year. It's one of the requirements, but Yembra financial requirements now can say Ebia or 15 or only 15,000 per annum. No, because of the coronavirus, concession now, we have immigration rules in the mono. So, meet financial requirement now, we to me even make application. But in this case, say and then I make application now. The last 6 months are now a Juma yeno. No more referral say for the last 6 months in the bra before the coronavirus season, in this case, it started somewhere March. February, January, back December 2020. So in order to meet the financial requirement, because someone say coronavirus a month for near Juma, they be to fellow so and then I say for almost in the class what it until they don't almost straight with the financial requirement say I was say we meet 18,600.
Yeah.
Into BBT now to me metia be flexible to that financial requirement by requesting say okay before the coronavirus season being March 2020 na be mana oil sponsor no na juma ye Jumaya, you been here on the bank statement, you been here on the pay slips for the last 6 months, back 2020 March. It will to me prove that in now meeting the financial requirement. That's fine. Why?
But you okay. Hello. Yes. My question now maybe sir, and I'm saying and conclude. My question, the main point, you know, nipa na nkasa what's not kumha or illegal no. And no side na very very important because you see an nipa no de ne ho kwakere nkofo no. Bosumi bia.
Okay.
Na yes. But okay.
Yeah.
No nipa no bosumi bia no de ne ho kwakere nkofo no.
Yes.
And nipa no so watena krum ha no for 18 years. And nipa no so no omo man asitena before 2012 to 2015. Na 2015 so no na oni oba na omo de man ni ho no oba foforo na wo ho. Nti ono oba foforo no ehya ase no. Nkofo ni nim so oba foforo no ne ehya ase no one na tena for infie inhia. Why application be more mudi can accept no so almost accepting a relationship no oni oba no e wo no enti nipa no person hu share on one kasa in particular no obetime ni oba no aye application okrum ha na succeed na say nipa na nkasa ode no ho kwakire ni situation krum ha na nkasa sisia no anything but time be no wo ahode be no wo okrum ha obetime dia ye bibi sene be ya yemfa ne nko e woni situation say waba krom ha watra ha no mu mfie 18 woni oba broni ba wo hono mu na waye application yama setra ne bida e wi no ode koro no oba na nkasa one ne wo ho before ni ho ne oba fro no ho na all really no mo na twia better now mfie no mu ni sisi a ode ne ho kwakere nkofo no e na one oba fro no so a one ne wo ho no e yo ba na Oshia no tamana or renew no and not up to now. In the situation no the chances are obetting the ABB anything. Send a bear any pan or no kwachera one day yanka the new call say anything in the situation no a dear bang and I'll bet me assetna o kuma one situation. Sisia send a bear and hunch or the kwachera no Bonnie behind the enquisy.
Yo, Papa, what's a
yo, Michael? I think I was mom making application or more refuse on the basis of more meeting financial requirement. Maybe
near Odi can no. Na a renewal. I am in Femian from 2012. Equity, but I'm about.
Hey. We're putting a hold on now.
Hello?
Yeah.
Yes.
It's you, Costa.
Ne application, why application, you know. Now, in fee, no, in Yaman in Femian, from 2012, equity 2015. Now, 2015, as soon, you know, Obana, you heard what the man, no one is our body in hobby.
Oh, okay.
Oba, we are on in what he and you know, all renew no, almost refuse say or new about dada no, any hobby. Into almost you know, or call court or man pray. And to 2017, no sign no about for you on any way a year. Into a note, you are no about for on any year in 2017. So about no any standard for grounds. But no almost refuse say sit on the quay no, it's but not a error. You know, make it on year. But error no more year and one challenge to the error no. Until 2020. 2020 in Uncle Forno as a man of called detention or mutual detention almost as a man about back. As is your then who coach it. Until no person was a CCR and idea and 1 year send a Uncle Forno and Fano uncle and I be sir.
Yo, Mike, I did the one challenge 2018 there no.
2018 the no year and say I'm say mo or say mo or the brem mo or the brem I'm say mo na mo yes I adwuma ma no na ne question ni say I'm say do time response the buy no do time response the buy na I'm say mo man antintem nti na I'm say mo man it na time na so the corner so apa ho nti no e ma na the challenge no ntimi an challenge nti na me say hono side na ye mo hono side na me say mistake no e ko ba nti wantimi an challenge nti no se sisia no se empa ho na se hono so betimi a challenge wo error na nkofo no eye no so a se no so advice no so so betimi a challenge sa error no mo ye no so am se no so betimi abuan so that's fine but se sisia no ono angasa e challenge ye ena nkofo no se time no apa ho the challenging time no apa ho nti no sisia no dey na onye e wo sa nsem nyina ho
Yo, obey to me as the application out to Musi with the 18 years because we share 18 to 20 years. I got 2 years now we do 20 years, as unlawful residents in the UK. But relationship no one. Obey to me also they are making application.
No,
sir, still no one in the panel relationship. But the problem is I didn't know any partner for 6 years without even say more planning some worry.
And yes, we will see any person choice.
Because cohabitation the is
our reaction ne tiane say oba no any obi aware oba no pre so be ja aware no fiti enfie be say in our no entity the giant into go through.
Assembly are complicated than we thought. Lawyer Francis.
Yeah. So encourage because they say no still no home office are aware about the relationship. The only thing I now can say financial bait but say financial bait 18,600. If they assess no more say meet here. In this case, one I can say financial base, now meeting. So in this case, you can put in an application and see how they're going to drag it and make sure say you're referring them to previous application. Why?
Okay, until see any panel chances so bit my application will come na. I know idea here. Or chances so bit my application will come her.
Yeah, obey to me, our chances. By stating the insurmountable obstacle, the entire won't mean go back home
Okay.
Yeah.
Papa, yeah, that's it.
Okay.
What they say still I true so I say omwedi kan e di asem now. Sign fako na say na wo cheche mun san go through. I believe say nti ase be adwuma na ye hu kwan a ye be fa so. Why?
Okay.
Yo,
okay.
Nyame shira yo. Unsusa. Ahaye GN Radio utie legal hour with Bwf Solicitors. Questions be brave. Ewa ha or say ye bomodiana. Yeti yenko Facebook kakra na omonso yen favor mo. Menia Adam Kilson say a friend is on 10-year family route. His visa is due for renewal, but unfortunate that son whom is a British passport has expired 3 months now. Can he still use the boy's passport? Adam Kelson question, Lawyer Francis.
Yeah, obey to me in the basis passport there some sort of say assurance work but the birth cert ebe to me actually say nipa ni British near okuta but you see the old passport now obe to me they are making application no more my aware say in the process of renewing it. It is a renew we are or the new one no ebe bre omo why and omo record no say ne ba ne British ni dada. Inti one can say the passport na wunti me twama mako renew ebi so be affecting me leave to remain no why
La Francis here that say Tilly Dumasi the system works in this country so we should be very very careful fellow Ghanaians or to for Tilly nyame enhra yenhwe wen so questions bebre wo ho yenhwe wen so or say please what happens if I have gotten my EEA family permit to join my wife over 1 month now from Ghana, but I have not yet arrived in UK, please will that affect me? Lawyer Francis, the question on the way Asante Richard question na we bisa and I'm a kayamano.
Oh, me ba to ma bio mo ai.
Or see, yo, Asante Richard, see, please, what happens if I have gotten my family permit to join my wife over 1 month now from Ghana, but I have not yet arrived in UK? Please, will that affect me when you 1 month in now so on buy or bisa say be affect na?
Yo, Osha year family permit now. Ya the mawa ya ma 6 months. Sir Fabra. Sir ya ma now first month unyambai affect you, but men train ma 6 months ni nyina embu Ghana no. Why? Into one try making sure say or within that 6 months, you know, so betu kwan about UK hanumo. Why?
Hey, yo, Lawyer Francis, questions the baby. Nana Jima ya Nana Jima nso bisa similar question. I also say please good morning, Lawyer Francis. Apart from the date of entry, what other factors do they consider for 20 years application? I'm say you can wasem na say obetumi abono tietia manon so na we hu Nana Jima na bisa sa question.
Yo, Nana, one pa, and then what yes you class prefect. Yo, yeah, I'm pa make a date of entry, you know. I know na ebeche say almost recorded from 20 years now. I be free that date, you know, to that. Apart from that, then you no pay. A biom the obe to me the access in say oba you know passport. Then I visa and home now the be and Ira. But at that time, you know, now to me be a GP. And as I buy another passport, you could be a GP. Until bet me a record wo medical history from GP, you know.
Okay.
And in this case, you know, the GP will tell Obeka said you register from maybe 2005, 2001, 2002, and up to now. Oda suba appointment and I say what change GPs ni krana omo be refer and as on be transfer or record no from one GP to the other. It is our request here. The best thing is request for medical history.
Okay.
In this case, no better for the past years was starting with the GP no. Why?
Better yo Lawyer Francis ye be call ahomane so tietiana yenhwe Adam Kelson esa babium Adam Kelson esa babium na ansa na meko ahomane so na ye be fa no menkan ni tietia. See, a friend is on 10 years family route. He entered the country on visitor's visa from his legally married British, okay, had one British child before he applied for his residency. Then after he had 3 other British children, he is within his 7th year of his 10-year roots. Can he apply for his indefinite or he needs to wait for the 10-year to be over before he can apply? Lawyer Francis, Kakra.
Yo, person said, but all can I say or do the 7.5 years.
Yes.
I can't cross over do 10 years. No.
Yes.
And to maybe our question is, I don't think want to do 10 years.
Sentinel be Zebi and the Pongo Pentem or Pen definitely.
Yo, so sure, sir, the question here. Fine. On check it, sir, on the man on the first 2.5 nom demand no. Oko renew no. A chair home office na. Because normally the attorney say at times I could down ma a mark gab no a white kakra.
Answer.
Yes.
Okay.
If obey to me as I see way nyina say enya say one term 10 years in do answer. No be that's fine.
Okay.
But I was say o ma proof say home office na ma dey na delay. Into no nim say 10 years no watch.
Okay.
And yes sir, I was so train na o 10 years na answer na apply for indefinite. Why?
Okay. Yo, Lawyer Francis, yeah, will be one man so na medical ama etefo no. Se see a tune in a call for 11 hour sharp into tune in a call off into mamuti tune no. Very sorry, Monty and Kana Facebook dear wa Lawyer Francis. Your best so we in 5 minutes be aka ho na to main clear questions na wa ha ne kakra minim se adwuma so eguso twen na menua bi wa ahoma ne so but se okasa sisi a mo tune no omonte ba okay nkampese ohodi ona nka ya answer Facebook for no kakra but one hwa na ne number no article enti yentie no na ye mane mwaye. Yo, good morning patrowa ona mind 5991 no do from say na akasa free.
Oh, good morning, Manyati. Good morning, Lawyer Francis. Ufane atomi Ibrahim, ni mi weke the FX. Mi nganya fe. Ufane mi tama bi Sunday bi bioko. In beke 2.5 neko. 10-year route ne. I'm in my 7th year. Ni mi tama bi akishi. Nko ba you quick pay Ghana. Ni be ha mi akishi mani ma pay le ni kala ba mane mi lo. Allo sanma many but 10 years ashe tani inya awulekaba so fani sani no jino.
Okay, hello Francis in Kranisem say I be you kakra so.
Oh no, me okay.
Oh, what's here? You by why?
I see over 10 years but I think I guess be on the base as a parent
or see or 10-year route ne so. Na
and I may say the 10-year route ne a parent and our partner.
Okay, na dia wanka
because looking at what the Obusani said, only or baby or Ghana or Beso Kofani Banami.
Yes, we shall baby.
Let's assume say a parent route because a partner owed to me.
Okay, no correct.
So because partner one and they own to me. Why? Say a parent, that's fine. But the man say when you look at so person who worry as a obia workroma, one of the requirements is say was settle down or settlement indefinite. But Papa Ibrahim the bibia limited leave to remain. When you settlement, into one to me until say when you settlement, or 10 years no apply for indefinite and settlement now. Now, opese okofa nipa no Ghana ne ba no etimi akofa na ba. Why? By following requirements now your friend way entry clearance as a spouse Now 4 requirements being financial requirement, relationship requirement, English language requirement, accommodation and requirement. Why?
Ubo entry clearance. My question be a da. Obi friend me or sim. To me use English test now or the year entry or the bar entry clearance. No to me use for ni 2.5 years application
so Usha entry clearance in English language now. I don't know the level or the buy.
Okay.
So levels would depend. So bet me you so now own to me you see.
Okay.
Starting with level level A1. Into A1 would the bape now we call for renewal. To me unless I was English language, level A2.
Okay.
So but you says BBF level B1
grade 5
and now B2 yes, and no bet me use to the extent of say or the choir in the indefinite.
Okay.
It depend the level or the buy. Why?
You or betty as and yen cosway say ya answer way dear no. When so see Sheriff Fenank Awokpo or see good morning Manya, good morning Lawyer Francis. If you are a holder of bachelor degree, are you qualified to be expected from the English language? Oh, so we say degree no is written in English there. Yes, of course. Ube to me. Anna Lawyer Francis.
Sure, English language requirement. They see canon. Sir, okuta English okuta degree yɛnhwɛ baabi a wonya degree ni free
yes okay
first say Ghana was ɔde ne degree certificate ne transcript ɛma nkurɔfoɔ bi a ɔmo UK ha yɛfrɛ ɔmo NARIC UK into those NARIC UK no will assess say a meet UK standard of English language and now say it doesn't meet and no wo and I say English ni wa with UK universities now wo hia say ɔde bɛkɔ NARIC but obetimi use for any application why
okay yo obeti our Facebook ne so Sheriff say Ghana dear you have to submit it to NARIC to show say emeti we na which of course I know say emeti intino obetumi na afenso no yenhwe we ye wo voice note ba ko bi nso wa ha na yenti na afedie
mepaha last year dem bɛyɛ course na manko na mahyɛ uma bi a mpɛ sɛ mɛware no ɔyɛ yɛyɛsi ne wayɛ ne settlement scheme ne adeɛ nya na mebisa sɛ bra de ma me ho kwan sɛ mɛtumi aware no anaa mebaha sɛ meba course for 2 weeks ba mebaeɛ no mantumi ankɔ back nti mehu no no so mehu somewhere last year June mene na anɛte a bɛsi nɛ number 7 here quite them one lawyer mommy advice
bra o ka say die o be ka say ono mpre bi dampem na mo kasala Francis ote na
mama bi say meti ni year o say wa ba o be ye course and we share o baby but was ni kasa ni was ka say on na 90 ache before 2020 which is which
me sambo bi mana
ai
hey oh okay kasa no we chiri pa
good morning what try FM Roberts me pa last year dem by course na manko na ma share uma bi am pɛ sɛ mɛware no ɔyɛ yɛyɛsi ne wayɛ ne settlement scheme ne adeɛ nya na mebisa sɛ bra de ma me ho kwan sɛ mɛtumi aware no anaa mebaha sɛ meba course for 2 weeks ba mebaeɛ no mantumi ankɔ back nti mehu no no so mehu somewhere last year June mene na anɛte a bɛsi nɛ na mpɛ sɛ mehwɛ sɛ kwan dɛ mu a lawyer ma me advice
okay lawyer Francis
Yo, Usha EU, Emrano, and answer appendix EU are free EU are free movement are free more and what's the grace period from 1st of January 2021 now. So our relationship dada before 31st of December.
Yes.
Over me I make application.
Okay.
On the basis that now our relationship before 31st of December. So, into one I say you clarify any question or the abano because as you bahan obey a course no shiano on in but the issue then is when in and also obey to me actually say now more relationship before 31st December 2020 now. Akwan jawo ho a obetumi ene na make application. Why?
Yo, so Betty lawyer afei yemre na so memfa call bi abiom na say lawyer Francis nso na dwuma twɛn no enti lawyer Francis answer na obekɔ no sa long residency ni anase long stay yembisa one question bi pe ohonom na afede yembisa onia odi beja yen ansa na yakɔ na ansa na mebisa me question no etiefo medamo nyina ase mede bibia oba ahoma ne so no meda na ase se wetie yen up to this time na mo amohwe on Facebook nso nyina nyame nhira mo Question back about Facebook, but maybe before. You might di a BWF Solicitors Legal Hour GN Radio. Ya can boma ye the Ebre community no na topic I be discuss here no long residence 20 years route no. Kwine be na obe faso de na be qualify na de na be suit say na be ya obenya asa asetena de bi nkrofo bebre na asa question mo bi se bisamia throughout the week na ompeso mo hu nkrofo de watena ha na nso ni book oni sei ne nyina emre ewo ho kwan ewo ho a lawyers no betumi ahwe se wonko nkwan kan se book no wo de akone a stamp se wa banko e be disqualify de na eno krampo no I believe say if there are some explanation bi try no de kwa the lawyer gidi say obi be see bibia no na kwan kakra bi eda ho enti ensuro embohu emma popo fa asem ne bra na ye nhwe asem no se nya wa asem ne tie se kwan wo ho a obenya straight away ye be ma we hu na ye de akọ enti no entenase na emre no kwa na eko na nioma esisen de bia esisa who know say mbi ochena ombeba say 20 years ne kra ye nya mfa mabio enti ene a ye wo enkwa no yentu ho anamo na ehia ankasa enti Lawyer Francis before mema wa mame final note no yenua bay say if one stays here for 20 years, what is the procedure for one to apply for a stay? That is the long stay. Inti kwambe na obefa so na wa apply sa long residence 20 years ibi kwambe na say ofaso.
Yo osha your long resident na mema emumbi no being lawful and unlawful. It 20 years near unlawful. Now, upese will make application. There say we say bibia a friend or eligibility requirement, any suitability requirement. Now, evidence to show say at least what now Krumha 20 years. Yo, 20 years, no, we say na lawyer, they were not made to media say matana 20 years because me buy me overstay nti me nin krata me nin yoma bebra made me e de achre. Yo, oba na be hu en Bwf Solicitors ye wo kwan bebra ye de faswa ye boa e ma wonya sa records no a obetumi dia make sa application no. Nti say wo make sa application na ye de wo beto bibia ye friend or private life. You also have family life and our private life. Into your over to private life. The private life no over for the next 10 years, beginning with 2.5, 2.5, 2.5, 2.5, wow, 4 times. And now 30 months, 120 months, and sana when you're indefinite. In the infant say, oh, buy, what the 20 years waha, what the 10 years come what 30 years and sana when you're indefinite. And now settlement. Why? Intina acquire befa so would benya sawo asitna efa or private life 20-year long resident no. And it's much pensing mui. Why? Manati.
Oh, Lawyer Francis. Yedase. Say no na yedi yasem no ebesi ha nuanom na adofo Bwf Solicitors, the community and the law no baso nyame ya adoma ochina enti no senia munim senia ye ne de bia no mamon tena ho mombo modia na mon tune in because ochina so yedi adepa bremo yedi nyoma bebre na edi be bremo minim say yi nsem still until say June ebeso no yedaso ekremu na afenso de bibiara new rules and regulations new immigration de bibiara bibi eti ho ken sisia no se minim se yembeka sponsorship application na minim se Lawyer Francis nyame adoma embia next week na ye de no nso aba betu because nkrofo pi na ebizemisa sponsorship license no mo bisa me ho nsempa na misisi ya de ya tuedi uya ne ntem a obenya ne ntem enti grofo bisa na ebisa me menuanom enke chire se ne atie bia no ekwan wo ho so mo de fa ha yenso ye de be fa ha omo ye ni se a yenso ye be ni se eno a se ye wo lawyers a omo law no omo dimra menua ba we de me copy ne nsem no si omo dimra omo ye mra omo hwemra omo emra chese emra no omo finchire mu Emma omo senia eko nti ansa na asam no beba no omo ni memra ko a ombe gina so na omo di edi sa asem no na hwan no na meka amoho asem eye Bwf Solicitors ba no lawyer ansem di a omo ye A1 na chese omo echi de omo ka onyina no omo team no omo de omo dem sa na etie enti no se u pese u join the community and the law ni ochna u call Bwf Solicitors website ni so nyame adom 4 o'clock sharp ya ye betumi so a share no ye be share enti ye be ma notification but more than subscribe to that channel na se ne be ya abibia ye ba line so pe ebe mouse notification o subscribe channel na fe so wa like it o like so the next one so there is always a bell be bomode ne me a bell no so se ne be ya anytime eno ni notification button no ye ba so na a reminder na we to me adjoin ye law no or say yesua ho law ni bia or say yehunia eko na yetumi etu anamo Entila Francis ansana obeko no na den na odibejaye
Yo, manya me da say, se tembia ukrekra yehu na oje tata na yetimide legal education no ema yetifo. Yo, biamu so meda etifo ase se nenso maka ye ho na yedi program no aba na wiye. Na Bwf Solicitors ye wo ho mamo, ye try say we will solve o problem obia o problem bia bia o de befa bia no ye besom na ya boa ama solution when age aba o case no de me de beja etie for ni say ye guswa esa wo legal education bia ye friend no community and the law Saturday baso until this time no we have another diverse law you be discuss na lawyer Richard they be go through child arrangement and coronavirus the send the city it yen kase emfire hunti yentie because bia dachi nim the beto yen it echina no ye make it time for from 4 to 6 for your community and the law program no. Now a tier for the more and I said the medibeja tier for a biome and as say yeah share yeah who's ye pa because COVID no I know I day and why a day papa no na asaso numum inti yebeka and I said yeah yebe pese my tier for ehuni say tembia no yendi ye protocols ne so se ne be ya yenya anase yente se yi ye community obi anya bi ne nasefo because the way I spread you know I don't know how this enyankopon be so yemu nti ye stress tembia no ye mbo ye ho ban free COVID no no na me de beja ye tie for and what immigration issues and I said what further questions so for say a net topic a treaty no one tiasia and I say was sad to be anymore ube to me after and I say ubeba only a book appointment na yeah ne what na say akoso pensem why yo maneti ya da say ebiom yes that's a ne ye be say shia ya kramo bye
bye lawyer Francis ya da say Facebook for monso nyame enhira mo nyina nyame enhira mo amotumi etumi share program no nyame enhira mo nkoso a enkrekra ye say a ne yemboa community no oya ma obi no na oya ma wo ho enti sa na tie ye damase next week ebesan asia nyame adoma na ochna nso make a date with us 4 to 6 o'clock e will be Bwf Solicitors website no so and as a Facebook site no so na na yenti ne ewo ho nso o question na mentumi answer wa ha fa cheme eya na emre entumi emma ne nyina ho kwa mo di kan frɛ no nso na telephone lines no entumi enkoyie no mesrɛ mo fa cheme eto de bia you might encounter some of these things and don't just say ya sheda na so ewo ho bibia ewo ho is one of these life trials ne bi nti no yeda mase nyame nhyira mo mempe me nwumro na afede ye mfanto so na yenti the foforo na Francis bye
Lord, I need your help and no one else. Just this word, no long thing. Oh Lord, I need your help and no one else. Just one word is all I need. Just one word is all I need. Your word is a yes and amen.
Bwf Solicitors is a leading and an award-winning solicitor situated in London. Our expertise in family and matrimonial law encompasses divorce, separation, children matters, family breakdown, and financial orders. We focus on all aspects of immigration law. Our areas of expertise extends to visas for individuals and businesses. These include spouses, students, visitors, EU applications, investors, and more. We also undertake appeals and judicial reviews of negative decisions. We hold Law Society Quality Mark in immigration law. Our family law solicitors are dedicated to finding the most effective and pain-free resolution for our clients through the provision of sensitive, effective, and affordable legal advice. We are also Ghanaian law specialists and have advised many local authorities and other solicitors on aspects of Ghanaian law. We have also advised businesses looking to relocate to Ghana. Our senior partner is dual qualified as a barrister at law in Ghana and solicitor to the Superior Court of England and Wales. Client satisfaction is our number one priority. This shows in the number of positive reviews we have received from our clients. Bwf Solicitors, your preferred community lawyers. Bwf Solicitors is a leading and an award-winning solicitor situated in London. Our expertise in family and matrimonial law encompasses divorce, separation, children matters, family breakdown, and financial orders. We focus on all aspects of immigration law. Our areas of expertise extends to visas for individuals and businesses. These include spouses, students, visitors, EU applications, investors, and more. We also undertake appeals and judicial reviews of negative decisions. We hold Law Society Quality Mark in immigration law. Our family law solicitors are dedicated to finding the most effective and pain-free resolution for our clients through the provision of sensitive, effective, and affordable legal advice. We are also Ghanaian law specialists and have advised many local authorities and other solicitors on aspects of Ghanaian law. We have also advised businesses looking to relocate to Ghana. Our senior partner is dual qualified as a barrister at law in Ghana and solicitor to the Superior Court of England and Wales. Client satisfaction is our number one priority. This shows in the number of positive reviews we have received from our clients. Bwf Solicitors, your preferred community lawyers. Bwf Solicitors is a leading and an award-winning solicitor situated in London. Our expertise in family and matrimonial law encompasses divorce, separation, children matters, family breakdown, and financial orders. We focus on all aspects of immigration law. Our areas of expertise extends to visas for individuals and businesses. These include spouses, students, visitors, EU applications, investors, and more. We also undertake appeals and judicial reviews of negative decisions. We hold Law Society Quality Mark in immigration law. Our family law solicitors are dedicated to finding the most effective and pain-free resolution for our clients through the provision of sensitive, effective, and affordable legal advice. We are also Ghanaian law specialists and have advised many local authorities and other solicitors Solicitors on aspects of Ghanaian law. We have also advised businesses looking to relocate to Ghana. Our senior partner is dual qualified as a barrister at law in Ghana and solicitor to the Superior Court of England and Wales. Client satisfaction is our #1 priority. This shows in the number of positive reviews we have received from our clients. Bwf Solicitors, your preferred community lawyers. Bwf Solicitors is a leading and an award-winning solicitor situated in London. Our expertise in family and matrimonial law encompasses divorce, separation, children matters, family breakdown, and financial orders. We focus on all aspects of immigration law. Our areas of expertise extends to visas for individuals and businesses. These include spouses, students, visitors, EU applications, investors, and more. We also undertake appeals and judicial reviews of negative decisions. We hold Law Society Quality Mark in immigration law. Our family law solicitors are dedicated to finding the most effective and pain-free resolution for our clients through the provision of sensitive, effective, and affordable legal advice. We are also Ghanaian law specialists and have advised many local authorities and other solicitors on aspects of Ghanaian law. We have also advised businesses looking to relocate to Ghana. Our senior partner is dual qualified as a barrister at law in Ghana and solicitor to the Superior Court of England and Wales. Client satisfaction is our #1 priority. This shows in the number of positive reviews we have received from our clients. Bwf Solicitors, your preferred community lawyers.
It's an important step forward in our fight against the coronavirus.
Bwf Solicitors is a leading and an award-winning solicitor situated in London. Our expertise in family and matrimonial law encompasses divorce, separation, children matters, family breakdown, and financial orders. We focus on all aspects of immigration law. Our areas of expertise extends to visas for individuals and businesses. These include spouses, students, visitors, EU applications, investors, and more. We also undertake appeals and judicial reviews of negative decisions. We hold Law Society Quality Mark in immigration law. Our family law solicitors are dedicated to finding the most effective and pain-free resolution for our clients through the provision of sensitive, effective, and affordable legal advice. We are also Ghanaian law specialists and have advised many local authorities and other solicitors on aspects of Ghanaian law. We have also advised businesses looking to relocate to Ghana. Our senior partner is dual qualified as a barrister at law in Ghana and solicitor to the Superior Court of England and Wales. Client satisfaction is our #1 priority. This shows in the number of positive reviews we have received from our clients. Bwf Solicitors,